one. As Wiper, first of all, we came in a bit late when other members had joined, because we were busy negotiating and talking, because we believe that in our leader, His Excellency Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, there is a strong presidential candidate. Yeah? Mm-hmm. And so there was this conversation between us and the two other major parties. And let's just face it, Jubilee and ODM. Mm-hmm. Who is it that will produce a presidential candidate? Some of us strongly believed that Wiper should have produced the presidential candidate. Mm. The numbers are there, they speak for themselves. But in the best interest of this country, and so that people don't think that we're being selfish and stubborn, our party leader sought and got the permission of the National Executive Council of the party to negotiate and agree on whether to support someone else or other people to support him. And he agreed to support Raila Amolo Odinga to be the presidential candidate of the coalition. Now,
on what condition?
Without even going into the conditions. Some things are natural. Very, very natural.